Hello friend, good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ella Puji Pramesti. You can call me Sela. I'm from Kudus and I live in the village Belimbing Kidul. And I was born in Banjarmasin 19 May 1998. I live with my parents. My father's name is Tadi and his job as army. My father is said to be bold not to his in term of rank on time. My mother name is Rimulyani. Him is a housewife. That my mother is patient and kind other that then I have my older sister and younger brother. My sister name is Arnis Bebaya Cinta. People like Edwidge and kin other. Will my brother name is Andrea. My brother stubborn and Larry but sometimes good. In addition, I have a hobby listening to music. Almost every season I have music. Also, my hobby is reading a novel about what I think interesting. My dream for the future went to civil servant, elementary school, teacher character, and give change for the younger generation to more developed. In addition, I wanted to entrepreneurship, culinary, and open a variety of the restaurant in Indonesia. That's the end of introduce myself. For me, thank you.